that's so far. Ugh. Got a bad place right there. Bottom place rotted. But it's got 2x4 framing. Look at that. Not 2x3s like most mobile homes do. I was happy to see that. Of course, I knew that before I put those windows in, but I forgot. Alright, I gotta put a stud right there because I need to put an awning outside. I'm gonna put a stud right there all the way down. I need another stud right there. And then I'm going to repanel this, put new insulation in it and repanel it. And then I'm just going to I'll have to buy another vacuum because that vacuum cleaner busted. Don't work anymore. So, yeah. Alright. I'm going to paint all this. Paint the ceiling. See that black mold up there? You see that? Right there. It's black mold. That's got to be dealt with. All in all, I'm impressed. Just got this done. So, yeah. Alright.